Hey everyone, I'm working on this login app in MIT App Inventor. So let me show you the demo of this app first. Okay, so you can see this is the first screen. Welcome to TCP. You can see there's two text box, username and password, and two buttons, login and sign up. Okay, so let's do first sign up. So first of all, let's click on the username and just type here some name, suppose Saurabh. Okay, and the password, let me just put the 1234. And let me just try to log in. Okay, click on this. You can see the wrong password because there is no user. Okay, now what I'll do here, I'm going to just click on the sign up now. Once I click on sign up, it's sign up. Now I need to show some message here. Okay, I'll do that. Now let's click on the login button again, and you can see the welcome on board. Now you can log out from this. So let's click on log out and you will redirect to the main screen again. Now you can see we have the main screen again once we log out. So we have it stored our username and the password in the TinyDB database, and we are checking this if the user is exist or not. If the user is exist, then the password is matching or not. Okay, so this is the app we created using the MIT App Inventor. Tomorrow I'll teach you how we can create this app. If you have any suggestion on this app, like adding some other features, you can just comment on the video. I'm going to add all these features tomorrow, and we will learn how we can create this overall login and sign up app using MIT App Inventor. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.